afternoon to all employers of Hong Kong. I am Jerry Figubok, 28 years old, married, and I have one son. I am honest, responsible, smart, quick learner. I am very willing to accept any suggestion or comment about my work. I am college graduate. I finished studying as a working student, particularly a house helper. I do cleaning, washing, cooking, take care of babies, and also tutoring their children.
Can you handle and take care of newborn babies?
Yes, by bathing, feeding the baby, changes diapers, and also preparing the milk.
If the baby cries, what will you do?
If the baby cries, I will check their diapers if already wet. I will check their temperature if he is sick. I will check the baby if he is hungry.
Can you sing me a children's song?
Like this one. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to earn more money and to support my family.
If lucky to be selected, what can you promise to your future employer?
If I am the lucky one to be selected, I will promise my employer to be honest and loyal to them, and I will do my best all my knowledge. Thank you.